If you want to update your Netflix account security and looking to change login password, in this video, I will show you easiest way to change your Netflix password. Let's get started. Step 1. Log in to Netflix. Start by opening a web browser on your computer or mobile device and go to netflix.com. Log in with your account credentials and select your profile. Step 2. Access account settings. Click on your profile icon in the top right corner and select Account from the drop-down menu. Under Account Settings, now from the left side menu go to Update Password option. You will get Add Password option if you already not set up login password. Create new password and re-enter new password and press Save button. That's it. You have successfully updated your Netflix login password. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe channel to get more videos. Thanks for watching.